She didn't understand when he was trying to play, when he was really young. She didn't really understand the whole play thing.
Winnie and her humans had become quite desperate. She had resorted to living most of her life on a windowsill. This was the last bastion for her, and we noticed that Otto had taken territory even over the litter tray. And it was this that had been causing Winnie to mess in the house, which is not what she wanted to be doing at all. But even the slightest movement she made was monitored by Otto. Practical solutions, putting her food and water where she felt safest. We gave her her own litter tray that was in the bathroom. And then we also worked at distracting Otto. Every time he came near and looked like he was about to pounce, we would just offer gentle distraction and encourage him with us. There. Thank you. Can you come this way? Can you come this way? Give us some space. There. Thank you. Big girl. That evening I got a clip sent from their human showing Otto very relaxed after his chilled day of separation, and Winnie, who'd found the confidence to come down and join. A new start, clean house, and peacefulness for all.